Hi, welcome to my channel. This is my very first unboxing video for September and it is Treatbox. So this is how it arrives. So letterbox friendly. I've just opened it up here just to take my address off so I can show you what the packaging is like. Treatbox is a relatively new box for me and my channel. I started receiving it last month and I was really impressed with the content. It is a lifestyle and beauty subscription box, but they also do lots of other options which I'll talk about in a little while. So I asked you last month, what do you think? Do you think Treatbox should be a box I should unbox on my channel regularly? And a lot of you said yes. So I've gone for September's box and I might go for October's, and then I'll make my mind up to see whether it will be a regular feature or not. I like to give boxes a few months just to see what my thoughts are and everything. So I've got a one-off box. So as I said, they do lots of different options. A one-off box, which I have paid for, is £12.95. Now you can go for a subscription and it starts from £12 a month, and that's for your rolling monthly, which you can cancel anytime. You can also opt for like a 3, 6 or 12 month subscription as well. They also sell past treat boxes on their website, and you can do a build your own box which starts from £13.95. So shipping is free within the UK and they do ship worldwide. Now I don't have the costs on the shipping for out of the UK, but I will link all the information down below, so click on the show more and that will bring a description, and all the links to this box will be down there. So let's open it. It comes beautifully packaged in purple. Lovely sticker that says happy post. Oh, it smells something. Oh, it smells really nice. So we get a little leaflet, so it tells you what's inside the box for the month. It doesn't give you the price of the items, but it gives you information about each item individually, which I will go through as I pick an item out and show you. So it says, what's inside your September box? It's your time to take 5 away from everything and enjoy unwrapping your box. Almost everything will work again if you unplug it for a few minutes, including you. And then it goes on to show all the social media sites, which are all there. And then on the back you get a little calendar for September. Now we had one for August as well, which is quite nice. Ooh, I think I can see the smelly thing. That's what the box looks like there without dropping everything. So the first item is a hand mask. Oh lovely, peaches and honey, and this is Vitamasks, and it's a moisturising and nourishing hand mask made of peach and honey extracts to care for dry hands and rough skin. Oh wow, I love hand masks, really love them. I'm having really big problems with my nails and my cuticles at the minute. Again, one hand the nails seem to be really long. The other hand, they are flopping off at the slightest thing, and I am using this protein lotion on my hands, but on my fingers then, but they're not working. It's not working on this hand, so I don't know. And it gone really dry as well, so no, I really like that. So it looks like there's 2 options in this box this month, and this one is the hand mask and the other one is a foot mask, an apple and mint one. That sounds really nice. It says they are inspired by Korean innovation and skincare technology, all of which is encapsulated in the most potent way to make your hands and feet baby soft. And I'm really chuffed with that. I might do that tonight actually. And then the next item is a bag of something. Oh, is it one of these facial wipes? Magic makeup remover. Ah yeah, that's it. So this is After Spa, I think that's what the name is. It's all lots of writing going on here. Magic makeup remover. So it's one of these facial cloths. I'll get one out. See, I said it right then. Oh, I love these. Love it. I've had a few of these. I've had sample of these, but they are so good. You just put water on it and it takes off all your makeup. But it's just a little cloth there. But really nice. So the information says, we're so pleased to be featuring this oh so soft magic makeup remover by After Spa. And it says this super soft polyester blended cloth removes even the hardest makeup from the skin, leaving it soft and fresh and without leaving any residue. Simply wet your magic cloth with warm water before each use and remove all the makeup with it. After each use you can throw it into the washing machine and you will have a new magic cloth that can be reused several times. Yeah, they're lovely. Really nice and natural, and yeah, kind to your skin, so I like that. Next item, I can see there's 2 of them, and they're tea bags. So this is Pucca Womankind, Delicate Dance of Organic Cranberry, Rose and Sweet Vanilla. Oh, that sounds nice. I do love herbal teas. So that's what they look like. So there's 2 here. Probably heard on the grapevine that we love a cuppa here at Treatbox HQ. We love discovering new blends, so imagine our joy when we came across Womankind by Pucca. Don't know, I'll have one of those afterwards now. So no, really nice. Next item is the smelly item, I'm assuming. Yeah, it is. Oh, it smells Christmassy. Baked apple wax melt, and it's an exclusive to Treatbox. So I've only got a small wax melt warmer, so I'll probably do that 4 times. So no, that smells nice, and it does, it smells like Christmas. So it says, in the spirit of all things cozy, we have the most fragrant aromatic wax melt to infuse your home to create the perfect place to unwind. Oh, that's nice. I love wax melts. I'm going to be trying that later on, I think. And then the next item is something big and white. What is it? Is it a pillowcase or something? Oh, it is. It's a pillowcase. Oh, wow. What's it say? What's it say? It's a white big pillowcase, or cushion I suppose, and it says stay cozy. So that's what that looks like there. It's got in big grey writing, stay cozy, and it's a really nice cotton, soft cotton pillowcase, I'm assuming. It's rather large, really big, so it's bigger than me. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, I love the fact that there's unique things in this box. You know, who would think to put like a pillowcase in a box? But it's lovely, it's really unusual, and I really like it. Oh yeah, I can see the picture, you can see clearly more there. There. So yeah, what's it say? We have been swooning recently over the softest grey palette, sumptuous throws, and anything that is basically snuggle inducing. So in keeping this theme, we have created our very own customised Get Cozy cushion cover. And yeah, and definitely my bed is all white at the moment with a grey fluffy throw, so that'll go really, really nice. So the next item is a print. We had a print in last month's box, so I don't know whether it's a monthly thing or not, but no, it's really nice. That's all you need is a frame and you're good to go. So this says, take a deep breath, let out all the stress, you deserve to be okay. Oh, I really like that. So that's what that looks like there. Each month we design and create a beautiful print that always visually encompasses our theme. Take a deep breath, let out all the stress, you deserve to be okay. This is such a simple sentiment, but hugely important. I couldn't agree more. So yeah, so it sounds like they do them every single month. I really like that. And then we've got one last item, and it's a food item, and it's popcorn shed. And it's Pop and Chop crafted gourmet popcorn, all natural ingredients and gluten-free. Oh, that sounds nice, really nice. There you go. I'm not going to open it, I'm going to have that later. I love popcorn, absolutely love it. So the information says, at less than 140 calories per bag, Popcorn Shed's gourmet gluten-free Pop and Chop creation takes every single indulgent yet healthy treat box. So those are all the items. I'll just gather them all up. I can't grab everything all together, but hopefully you can see. So we've got 2 tea bags, we've got a wax melt, we've got a magic makeup eraser, we've got some popcorn, we've got a hand mask, we've got a print, and we've got a cushion cover or a pillow cover, which I would use as well. So we've got some really lovely things again. It's such a nice box. I paid £12.95 and that included postage and packaging. And again, I think it's such good value for money. There's some items that, you know, I really like. I like the idea of, I love these magic gloves, always handy to have. Me and my daughter, we share them. Obviously not the same dirty one, but you know, we use them when we pop them in the washing machine. So they're always, always handy and gratefully received. Wax melts, tea, popcorn, masks, it's all stuff I love anyway, but it is lovely, but it is different. I think this pillowcase, I think that is so cool, so cool. So no, I'm really, really chuffed again this month, really chuffed. So I'd love to know your thoughts as always. Do you think this is still a good box? Do you still think it's something I should have on my channel? And is it something that you fancy maybe having yourself, or unless you already do and you think that the boxes are quite good? So I love to read your comments. So if you enjoyed this unboxing, it'd be great if you give me a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.